Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about nested functions in Typescript. Okay, nested functions are the functions that are defined within the function. Okay, they can access all of the variables, functions, arguments defined in the containing function. That inner function can use the variables, functions, arguments within the function, as well as the variables functions defined in the global scope also outside whatever the variables functions defined in the outer function also can use inside the inner function. Okay, nested functions can be used to encapsulate functionality that is only needed within the specific scope. Okay, this can help to make your code more modular and easier to read and maintain. Okay, we'll see one example how we can define the nested function. Okay, see where this is our demo.html and demo.ts file. Okay, I'll open. See here, we'll see. We'll tell you one thing. This is single function. Okay, we are calling, we have created the one class. CLS1 is the class and defined one variable inside that. Okay, serial number is the variable. Type is number type. Okay, we have written one function. Okay, just we'll run this ts file and we'll see how it will display. Okay, first see demo.html. First we need to run, right? cmd command prompt I'm opening. tsc is the command to run the TypeScript file. demo.ts -w in watch mode I am opening. Okay, fine. Compiles, fine. Okay, then I am running the demo.html. See, it's alerting 100. Then it is displaying the message. See, here we are displaying that serial number in alert. Okay, inside that function we need to write function. Okay, then I'll write one thing, function 2. See, it will give error. Observe here. See, not here. Here only it is displaying function. Can't find name function 2. Any. Okay. Inside that, whenever we are going with nested functions, we need to go with lambda functions or arrow functions. Just in previous video we have discussed that lambda functions. Okay, how we can write it, we'll see. Okay, this is the lambda function. Okay, function 2 we are defining here, and syntax of lambda function is this. Okay, here also inside this function also we are displaying this serial number value. Just we are calling this function 2. Okay, here we are not returning any value. Okay, to receive that function output. Okay, that's why we are calling this function 2 here. Okay, then we are creating a object for class and we are calling that outer function 1 with that object name. Okay, and compile successfully. Okay, just I'm refreshing that demo.html. See how many times it will alerting. One time, second time also it is displaying, because in inner function also we are displaying that serial number. Instead of this we'll write something. Okay, see, this also fine, right? Just I'll refresh. 100, this dot serial number, just string it is displaying. This is the, in this way we need to write that nested functions. Okay, if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos on TypeScript on Angular, please let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching.